Hello everyone, this video is in continuation to our videos on Animal Kingdom. In last video we have discussed the characters of apes. In this video we'll talk about their examples. We'll be taking three examples. Pigeon, quail and peacock are the three examples which we'll be taking, and we'll be discussing their characteristics, the specific characteristics. Otherwise all the characters of apes are the same, but yes, we'll be talking about the important characters which just are related to these organisms only. Starting up with the pigeon. Pigeon has a very good memory. That's why they are known as messengers, or they were used as messengers in our ancient times. They were used to carry messages from one place to another. So this is something significant about the pigeons, that they have a very good memory. Then the next trait about pigeon is that they produce, first of all, the males have a shiny sheen on their neck. Fine. On the neck region, if you observe pigeons, so you will find that the males, they have a shiny, bluish green shiny sheen present on their neck. If I may just add in here that in animals, the males, they show certain characters which are ornamental, just to attract the females for the process of fertilization or reproduction. So herein the male pigeon shows that sheen on the neck just to attract the female. Then pigeon, the female pigeon produces pigeon's milk. Pigeon's milk, which is a secretion of crop gland. This gland is present in their neck. Crop gland to feed the young one. They just keep producing that pigeon's milk and keep feeding the young ones. That's known as a pigeon milk. It's just a secretion of the crop gland. Now this is something significant about the pigeons. Then we have eudamus, which is also known as quail. Now quail, if you have heard of, quail shows a very significant trait of nest parasitism. I'll write it with other color. It shows, very important term, nest parasitism. Fine. Now what is nest parasitism? I'll explain you this. I'll write in a flowchart form. The quail, or you can say the female quail, it lays its eggs in the crow's nest. Now when it lays the eggs in the crow's nest, the eggs very much resemble the crow's egg. As and when they hatch, the babies also resemble the crow's baby. The babies after hatching will kick off or throw the crow's baby out from the nest. So this is known as nest parasitism. That means they infest the nest. The crow will feed quail's young ones. So this is nest parasitism, which is shown by the quail. Now it lays the eggs in the crow's nest. The young ones kick the young ones of crow out of the nest, and as and when their traits of quail starts appearing, they fly off. They are capable of flying. They fly off or leave the nest. If you talk about the difference between the male and the female quail, male quail is black, jet black, and it sings also. We generally say कोयल जैसी आवाज है. It's not a female which is singing, it's a male which is singing. So male, it sings, whereas female, it is grey with black spots. So the significant feature which quail shows is nest parasitism. Very important term, you must know what is it. Next is peacock. Peacock is the national bird of our country. Peacock in males have a very beautiful tail. with multicolored feathers. This is to attract the females. Also, the peacock is the national bird. That's a significant feature. National bird. So it dances to attract the female, spreads its tail and dances to attract the female. Also, it has a bony spur present on its legs. It has a bony spur present on the legs. Now why is this present? Just to protect itself, or you can say in case of any fight, this is there, bony spur on the legs, which help it to fight with the other peacocks. So this is these are the 3 examples of aves or the birds. In our next video, we'll talk about mammals, we'll talk about the significant traits of mammals, and then we'll take up 2 or 3 examples of mammals as well. So keep watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. Thank you.